What's going on, guys? Stefan here with you, S&E's Garage. For those of you that have been following, this is our 2013 Kawasaki STX 15F that we picked up for $1,200 on the trailer with a locked up engine, and we later discovered that it has a locked up jet pump. You'll see right now there's nothing where the jet pump goes. And I've been behind the scenes looking for parts for this thing, and I was looking at spending almost $1,000 for used parts. I was going to get pistons, I was going to get rings, I was going to get bearings, and I was going to get a cylinder block. These engines they come in three parts. You have the bottom end, which is basically the crankcase. You have the cylinder block, which is the second part. Then you have the cylinder head, which is the third part. So they are relatively easy to work on, and you know, parts are interchangeable. But like I said, behind the scenes I've been looking, and I stumbled upon something on Facebook Marketplace that was no more than 20 miles from my house. That literally completely changed my whole plan with this thing. So let's get into the garage. Let's show you what we got. So what we have here is the engine out of a 2007 Kawasaki STX 15F. Now the block and most of the engine is completely unchanged from 2004 all the way to 2016 or 17, I want to say. One thing we are going to have to do here is we are going to have to swap the newer valve cover over. You'll see the older valve cover has these two ports for some sort of emission system that the newer jet skis do not have provisions for. So we are going to have to swap that over. I need to bring that over to the parts washer, one of my buddy's shops. We're going to completely wash this out. What we have here is the cam, or rather crank sensor. What we may have to do is swap the tone wheel from the newer jet ski onto this engine. I'm still not sure yet. And I'm definitely going to have to swap the intake manifolds, because the intake manifold is a different design on the newer jet ski. But other than that, this engine should be bolt in and go. I do have an exhaust manifold and tailpipe that are in much better shape than this. I was more concerned with the engine itself than the accessories, because I have plenty of parts laying around to make one good engine out of this. We did check compression at the marina that I purchased this from. This came out of a township jet ski. It was their fire department rescue ski. It had 67 hours on it. And when you hear this thing crank... Hey, buddy. You can just hear how strong the compression in this thing is. So we are super excited to get this thing in the jet ski this winter. Right, Emily? We're going to get the jet ski running for you this winter, for you and Maverick, and we're going to get this thing going. So please stay tuned. This is going to be very exciting this winter. We're going to get this thing in the garage. We're going to rip the old engine out. We're going to make this engine compatible with the new ski with all the parts we have, and we're going to let her rip. So like, share, and subscribe. We will all see you next time.